Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Valpoi MLA Vishwajit Rane yet again lost his cool after media raised questions about his name wandering for the post of Chief Minister. Rane this morning visited the Late Manohar Parrikar Samadhi to pay his respects to late Parrikar on his death anniversary. Rane said,
असले फालतू क्वेश्चन मला विचारू नका, कारण मीडियाचं काम असतं सेन्सिटेशन. असले फालतूगिरी मला विचारू नका. मी आलोय माझ्या नेत्याचे कडे श्रद्धांजली करण्यासाठी. हे विषय तुम्ही केंद्र नेतृत्वाला विचारा.
On Saturday, Vishwajit Rane's visit to Goa Governor at Raj Bhavan set rumour mills buzzing overtime given the persistent speculation of him eyeing the Chief Minister's post and his alleged rivalry with the BJP and Sawant. Sad state of journalism where a personal visit to His Excellency Governor of Goa has been made into such a stir. It was solely a personal visit to invite him to my constituency and take his blessings following my victory in the assembly election, Rane had tweeted.